Hello, dear friends. I hope everybody will be fine. Today, I will explain G plus one story building plain beam. If this video is useful for you, please subscribe to my channel for more update videos. Let's start. This is a parking area. This one, that is the main gate. That one, that is the road level. That is the main gate. That is the park lane. This one is kitchen. That is a hall. This one is a hall and staircase will be located here. That will be bedroom there. This one is a plain beam. Plain beam is a beam which is located between wall and foundation. Plain beam will be avoid the building from the settlement. The depth of the plain beam will be, the size of the plain beam will be 12 by 9 inches. The depth will be 9 inches. 9-inch depth. That is the plain beam. Just see, today our laborers constructed this plain beam. They poured the concrete. They used M20 grade of concrete. M is a max. 20 is the characteristic compressive strength of concrete after 28 days. They use this concrete. The ratio of 1:1.53. This, the combination of cement, sand, aggregate, and water, they make concrete. This is a G plus one story building plinth beam. See, dear peoples, this one is a column. That one is the columns. This is a plain beam. This one is the plain beam. See here. Look at the view of plain beam. See here, there. See, I will show you some mistake here which did by the laborers. See here. This is a big mistake which labor did this one, but they didn't use any wood or a steel plate to pour the concrete here. I think they remove the steel. Here is visible the steel here. This is a honeycombing or segregations. Honeycombing will be happen if the concrete is not poor. The honeycombing will be happen. If the concrete is poor from the height of more than 1.5, the honeycombing will be happen. If the labor will not mix the concrete, it will be happen. But they didn't use any shuttering here. This place they removed from here. That's why the concretes came outside. Look at here, dear friends. This bending wire is also visible. They didn't do the work well, the laborers. If site engineer will be present in the area, the responsibility of the site engineer to avoid these kind of mistake. Please be careful with these kind of mistake. If site engineer will be exist at a site, please be careful. This is a very crucial video for those who are fresher. Very crucial videos for those who are fresher engineer, especially for a site engineer. Dear friends, please subscribe to my channel for more update videos. Thank you.